Welcome back to the Lazy A-Hole Ranch, everyone. My name is Allie, and we are building an arched cabin in Colorado. Yesterday we got rained out. Today we got to put on this last piece and do the other side, and that's it before inspection. And then do we get them all perfectly lined up here? Yes. And then what?
I wonder if we ought to cut this before we hang it. You're probably not going to be cozy with taking a circular side.
No.
Wasn't that even?
No, I'm not.
So, go for our thickness.
One side down! Alright, what's next?
Then eventually we'll throw another piece in there, but this is good as a placeholder, so. At the end.
This board is all crazy.
Yeah.
Now, is it better to have this come out an extra 1.5 inches and meet the sideboard, or is it better to have the sideboard connect to both of these?
Just have a sideboard to both of these.
Okay. So Mike is using this pipe clamp to kind of straighten out this board a bit.
Well, that's probably decent to run some more screws into them. There's quite a bit of force on this, so
Extra there.
yeah, probably a couple here, about a foot apart, I think. Are we there yet?
I think we're fairly close.
I'm gonna say that looks pretty good.
Mike Iver, ladies and gentlemen.
We will leave that pipe clamp where it is until we get
Everything
maybe 3 or
in place.
4 screwed in at least.
if I'm at the end or not.
That's pretty close. So now that that's in place, this is where we'll take the tape measure and mark every 16 inches. We'll use this as our reference side, every 16 from there, then we'll line up this side of each board to that mark. And I'm gonna move this before somebody gets busted up.
Mike showed me a trick with the tape measure yesterday. All of the red numbers are 16 inches on center. So all I have to do is mark at the red numbers and I'll be accurate. And my brain was like, okay, we got one board down, let's just nail the other one up and we're done.
Nope. If only it were that quick enough.
Like that, with a little V.
Yep. I'm going to say that one's good enough. Because, well, A, it's really close, and B, it'd be pushing off this one most likely to get it somewhere.
Okay. Should I do an extra screw since forces are tight here?
Yeah, might whack
Do the just
3.
stick with it.
That'll hold it roughly in place.
We're gonna call it for today. I haven't had enough to eat. Mike's hurting. We're just gonna call it quits and finish up tomorrow. So we're almost done. It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday, and we're gonna finish the floor joist today. And I am beside myself with glee.
Effing giddy.
I'm pretty. By this afternoon, I'll be able to call in that inspection, which should be most likely tomorrow morning. But there will be an inspection this week. So happy. So we stopped early yesterday because we were not feeling well and it was getting ready to rain. So we have 11 joists left to attach to this. That'll be fun. What if we hold it in place with another clamp and then pull that one out and run it back?
Maybe.
It's getting there. Come out quite a bit. We're right about there. Cool.
Send it.
We have to pull that in before I can send it.
Damn, hope this has enough throw.
Okay, we made the executive decision. We'll lop this off here, put a block on, because there's no way this is going to bend all the way to it without being too much of a pain in the butt. So
That much bend on 14-ish inches of board, just...
it's just going to be a no-go.
Yeah.
So we'll chop it off. Mike is styling his new sling.
Ooh, breathable fabric. Most premiums. I like it my fingers are still free to hold my beverage of choice.
Yeah.
Makes my fucking heart happy.
Alright, so now we just got to, we're going to lop this off where we connected it to the last joist. And put a block in there and work on the next rim joist.
It's got some twist in the bone. It's gonna be stupid no matter what.
If you're here from Uncle Tony's Garage, welcome and thank you for supporting us. You guys are amazing. Also, I'm the person that you're usually talking with in chat. If you aren't following Uncle Tony's Garage on YouTube, you should. You should also be following My Self-Reliance, Wild Wonderful Off-Grid, Red Poppy Ranch, and if you like gardening, follow M.I. Gardener.
Fucking plant goes to where I want it. Pissing me off.
If you're into cars, Whistling Diesel is hilarious. Vice Grips Garage, Zip Ties and Bias Plies, Diesel Creek. Ooh, other house stuff, Essential Craftsman is really amazing. If you like homesteading stuff and building stuff, April Wilkerson's a woodworker. Ann of All Trades does everything. She's amazing. There's a ton of people on YouTube you should be watching if you haven't heard of them.
Better than TV.
Way better than TV. As you can tell, Michael is frustrated with being gimped up.
Drives me fucking batty.
Alright, so the last couple. So should I leave this clamped in? Yes.
Yeah.
You got a spider friend. Hopefully spider friend isn't crawling on me.
As long as they don't bite me.
They like to bite you.
My pheromones.
One more after this, guys.
So there.
It's done! All we have left is to cut and screw up the piece that goes right here and on the back. That's it. And then I can call this inspection in today. one more and we're done. This is the last piece for the floor joist to be ready. And of course it's just started raining. Can we just clamp it up?
Well, got a decent reach on stuff.
Yeah, I think so.
All right.
Start there.
That'll do.
All right. And just put one screw in and then get the in.
Danger.
We're done. We're done. We're done with the floor joist. We're done with the floor joist. We did it.
Well, it's pretty damn flat, all things considered.
Oh my God, guys, we're done. All we have left before we stand the kit up is to pass this inspection and put up the subfloor. We are almost there and I am so excited. We are so done with this. Thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for your support. I appreciate each and every one of you. You have a wonderful rest of your week and I will see you next week. I love you guys. Bye. Say goodbye, honey.
Ciao.
It's inspection day. Hopefully we pass. I'm a little nervous about this one because I have no idea what I'm doing. We passed! Up next is subfloor and then, oh my God, up next is subfloor and then we put the kit up. Okay. If you want to help put together an arch cabin? Leave a comment below or email me, info@lazyaholeranch.com or lazyaholeranch@gmail.com as well. Pass. That must be one of those firefighting jets. It's really low.